how to buy GM AI language model token. So this token came under the symbol of GM. So before that, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. As you can see, this token, it's increased in the last 24 hours by 6,000%. As you can see, it's strong token and viral token right now on the screener. Now, as you can see, the liquidity here unlocked by 99%. That means your investment in the safe place. In the market cap, they have $4 million. In the volume, $9.2 million. Now, as you can see here, to be able to buy this token, just go and copy the token address from here. And remember, this token, it came under this network. Now, open your fund wallet for that. After that, click on swap. Make sure you have enough Solana on your wallet. Click here and paste the token address as you can see here. Now after that, click on your token. Now type here how much you want to buy. Wait a few seconds, and as you can see, this is how much you will receive. Now on the provider, select one of these, for example, Jupiter, and make sure to read all of that information here and click on swap. And you will be redirected to Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. So after that, if you face an issue, go back to this page, switch the slip hash from here, or custom it, and after that you will be able to buy this token without any issue. So this is how to buy EGM token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.